Hi there, if you want to start your day with energy, then this morning yoga flow is for you. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to flow with me. So let's get started. First and foremost, sit in Vajrasana where your hips are over your heels. You can use any prop if you need to, or sit just in any Sukhasana. Close your eyes if you haven't already and connect with your breath. Try to center yourself with your inhalations and exhalations. Primarily focus on your exhalations more. And once you feel more aligned, then gently open your eyes and shake your hands to the side of your body and awaken your body and stretch your arms to the sides or in front and hug yourself by interchanging your arms position, first right and then left, and this way you will be awakening your whole body. And make some jingles in your fingers, make some circles with your fingers, grab the elbows, basically do all the movements to make yourself feel more present. And then hold this pose for a couple of rounds of breath. Try to keep your spine straight and make a conscious effort to hold the elbows from the other palm. And then exhale and inhale. And one last time, exhale, release the hands to the sides. Keep them strong. Sway them to the sides. Keep swaying. And then have a good control from your shoulder and probably make some circles to the sides, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Keep breathing and then release. Now from here, come to all your fours. Your hips and knees are in a line, shoulder and palms are in a line. As you inhale, you look up, and then you exhale, you curl your spine. You can feel free to tuck your toes or keep them stretched to the back. Inhale and exhale. Try to do a longer exhalations. Inhale. Exhale, curl your spine completely. Look at the navel. Inhale, stretch your neck. Exhale, tuck your chin to chest. And then with inhale, extend the right hand and the left leg at the back. Keep breathing. Hold the back leg at the back. Keep your toes extended forward and backward. And then with control, bring it down. Inhale from the other side, left arm and right leg. Again, bring back the left arm and extend the foot forward and backward. And with exhale, release. Now with again inhale, extend the right hand, left leg. And with exhale, squeeze it at the belly. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow and knees to the chest. And then release. Inhale from the other side. Exhale, knee and your elbow to the chest. And release. If possible, lift up one knee at a time while holding the palms really strong, grounded from the other knee. And then with exhale, lower down your hips. Exhale, lower down your hips and inhale, come forward. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. And then with control, bring the right foot between both the palms. And then left one. Keep your knees bended for your more ease. And then have the hands to the side for ragdoll. Keep your palms to elbows. Keep your knees bended or gently straighten up with your best of your capabilities and keep rolling to side to side. Breathe nicely. And then eventually come at the center and have the hands grounded and sit down in Malasana. Again, use the hands to the elbows or at the palm and keep going from halfway to Malasana a couple of times with control. You will feel a really deep stretch in your hamstrings and hips. You can go halfway with the squat if this is too much for you. Do as per your own range of motion and then probably hold the Malasana if you can, or use props underneath your hips to have better control. From here, bring the hands down, bring the right foot front, extend the left leg at the back, practice pyramid pose. Having a good support over the yoga mat for a better extension, and then back to neutral position. This time practice from the left side of the hip and feel the great stretch in your left hamstring and come back to the neutral position. Now this time get into a lower lunge by extending the left foot at the back and keeping the right leg, knee and feet are in a line and hands over the hips or at the heart center. Hold the pose, exhale and back to plank pose by extending both the legs at the back. Hold it really nice. Have a good control over the plank and this time bring the left foot in between both the palms. Again, have a good support for your hips and if you feel comfortable, hands at the heart center. Again, with exhale, left foot goes back to the plank pose. Hold the plank. Look in between the palm or right in front of the yoga mat. Again, bring the right foot in between the palm. Shift more weight towards the left feet. Rotate your body to the side. Have right elbow over the right knee. And then if possible, bring the right palm down. Extend the left leg 90 degree or to the side. Look forward or to the sides and hold it. Exhale, change your side to the left side. Again, left elbow over the left knee, hold the pose. And at this point, if you feel strong, then bring the left palm down, extend the right hand to the side, keep looking forward. And then release, bring the right knee down with control. Have the left feet right next to the left palm. Hold the lizard pose and if you feel confident, bring up the right knee. Hold it up there. Keep breathing. And if you can, interlock your fingers, ground your forearm on the floor. Hold the pose. Now again, change your side to the right side. This time, right foot goes out next to the right palm. Hold the lizard stretch. If comfortable, lift up the left knee. Lower down the knee. Extend the forearm. Interlock the fingers. Hold the pose. Breathe over here. And then very mindfully release. Bring the right knee back and sit up straight in Vajrasana. Rest for a breath here. And from here, get into a pigeon stretch. First, fold the right knee to feel the stretch in the right hip. Extend the back leg. Keep the spine straight. Have a good support using your palms. Keep looking forward and breathe. Now, with exhale, release the pose, and again inhale, bring the left knee forward, right foot extended back, left foot parallel to the hip, and try to lower down your hips. Have a good support using your palms on the floor, and keep breathing. Stretch nicely. And then eventually release the pose and lie over your belly. Extend the arms in front of the body. Practice this modified back bend. Hold this back bend. Keep both the feet extended at the back. And continue breathing. Breathe nicely. Keep breathing. And with control, release the pose and get into a forward fold, into a child's pose. Try to spread the knees to the side and lower down your upper body as far as you can. And extend the hands in front of the body. Stretch nicely. Hold the pose and continue breathing, and constantly try to lower down your hips over the heels. Exhale and sit up straight. Now from here, try to sit in butterfly pose, Baddha Konasana, where both the feet comes together. Bring them close to your groin as far as you can. Feel free to use any wall support for keeping your spine straight. And at this moment, bring your index and middle finger at the center of your eyebrow and use your thumb and ring finger to breathe. As you inhale, inhale from the left side of the nostril and exhale from right. Again, inhale from right and exhale from left. Continue breathing and practicing Anulom Vilom for a couple of rounds. Use any support from your left palm to support your right elbow. Practice it 5 rounds and then relax. Hands over your heart and belly and breathe. As you inhale, your belly rises up, and as you exhale, your belly goes down. Breathe nicely and use this time to be very present and tell yourself a big thank you for showing up for yourself and choosing to start your day with such a positive manner. Tell yourself it's going to be a great day and you are going to have a good control with your day. And with that, end your practice and make some movement in the body and rub your palms together and gather all the energy over your face, chin, eyes, eyebrow, and just gently open your eyes and look at the palm. I hope you had a good time practicing with me. If you liked anything about the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing and I will definitely see you in the next video. Until next time, bye.